Hey guys, let's talk about keyframes. When you first open DaVinci Resolve and you come, for example, from Premiere Pro and you try to add in keyframes in the Edit tab like you would normally do there, you would think to yourself, this is madness! But let me show you the secret.
Not so secret.
Fusion Keyframes weapon. Let's add in the transform node to this media 2, which is our sunglasses here. Hold shift and drag and drop over here to automatically connect the node. Go to the keyframe where you want your animation to start. We're gonna play with the positioning, so you're gonna hit here on this button for keyframes and we drag the glasses out of frame. Then we go to the frame that we want the animation to end and we drag the sunglasses back. It will automatically add a keyframe at that point in time. Essentially, keyframing means record the value in the current time. Here you can see that this node has some keyframing work done on it. It's good to know this. So when you open up a node tree, you can tell which nodes have keyframing work done on them. Now let's open up the keyframes window. It's here in the upper right corner. Here we can see that the value has been changed under the transform node. These are the keyframes. You can move them or you can select them both and move the whole keyframe section. We can hold command and scroll up and down to zoom in and zoom out. Right here, this is our zoom to fit button. You will use this a lot. Now, if you wanted to change the animation or the movement, well, this is when the spline window comes. It's right here next to the keyframes window. Spline's main focus is to show a value over time, how the keyframes change from one value to the other. We press on our favorite button, zoom to fit. And this is basically how it changes from one value to the other. Usually we want such changes to have some sort of curve. We don't want them to happen in such a linear way. To do that, select a keyframe and a little handle appears. And by moving it, you create this curved line, which means that we are making that change gradually. We're making that change smoothly. If we select both and hit F on the keyboard, it will ease in and ease out automatically the keyframes. Really useful shortcut. We can also change where the keyframe is in the timeline. Hold shift to change it in a straight line. We can also add in multiple keyframes by just pressing on the line and selecting a keyframe and pressing delete. Obviously will launch a rocket to the sun. Now we also have shortcuts down here. If you have one keyframe selected, we can smooth it out like from here or make it linear from here. And if we have multiple keyframes selected, we can unlock the rest and play around with them, but choose them wisely. For example, the step out.
He chose
funny.
And that's it for this video. I want to personally thank you for watching. Subscribe on the way out, and yeah.
This is
Sparta!